About to go to a nature reserve today. Yeah, I just dunished this fly that was in my room, bro. I just dunished his ass. Oh, from what I've seen so far. Damn trees, can I see the water? As soon as I turn on my camera, I can't see the water no more. All right, we're at the preserve. Plants that live with salt. Salt trends develop only at elevations covered occasionally with salt water during extremely high tides and storm surges. Seawater evaporates, increasing the salt in the soil, excluding all plants except for salt-tolerant species. Saltwort, glasswort, and seed purslane benefit from the reduced plant competition. What the fuck? I'm out here doing white people shit. It's like, this is nice though. This is real nice. This shit don't look stable, bro. Let me hold on to the rail. Oh my gosh.
That way, Tampa. That way, Clearwater, where we came from.
Yeah. Yeah.
This way is Tropicana Field.
The water looks so tainted, almost like orange.
Downtown St. Petersburg. So I think that's downtown St. Petersburg, and Tropicana Field's over there.
Oysters. Wee wee. Slip one time, just slip. Damn. Look at that water. It's like the water got sunburn or something. Woo! We're at Paul L. Gadding Nature Trail. Shit cool so far, man. We just went around one trail. Them so more on my face. I'm not that sweaty. But yeah, man. I don't really got the camera on too much, you know. I'm enjoying this shit for real. But hell of a name.
I like them. They're funny. They won't be funny when you see one in the wild.
Right? Wow!
Yeah.
Wow! The freak. Oh snap. We reached the water again. This dirty ass water. A fool we are. No house or car. We are castaways. What the fuck? What the fuck? I know y'all see that. Where is it? Where is it? Oh yeah. That big ass spider. And Gary just fucking with it. Nah, bro. Nah. You got it.
Wake up.
That nigga sleep. Yo! Garrett, look at the scat. What type of scat is that, Garrett? You see it?
Oh, that's like,
Whose
that's
scat is that?
raccoon.
Who's that Pokemon?
That's them trash pandas. sticks. Go fuck with the spider.
Oh shit.
Oh wait, this one's bigger.
Oh shit. Y'all see me. Oh my gosh! He just chilling. He don't even care. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my god.
He's leaning too. Did you see him? He was leaning.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta get the fuck out.
Oh look, there's another one. There.
Gary, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Ah! The spiders. They about to freak the fuck out. Little guys, you see a pretty little tortoise right here. You're gonna give him a space.
Is there a video? I got it.
It's the first tortoise we've seen on the trail.
Yeah, same here. Up there.
What's up, man?
This is exhibit number 1. Oh, he's back.
Oh.
Well, yeah, we just saying what's up.
Get his favorite food.
What's up, my friend?
There he is, guys, eating.
Look at him.
Here he comes. He's coming to our Lola. All right, I got it.
He's vicious. Will attack.
Yeah. Something to do with the nature. Our little guy right here. Live on National Geographic, we have a tortoise in its own natural habitat.
He's moving.
Let's go get him.
Yeah. 25 points right there.
25 points.